Making women chase you is no longer gonna be a tedious task. It's just a matter of a man's mindset that needs to be changed in order to make women find you as an attractive man. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you 2 traits that almost 90% of men don't know about. These 2 traits might be looking like little ones, but trust me, these are most basic and most important qualities a real man needs to have. The problem with most men is they give more importance to women than self. They give more importance to money than their own character. Both money and women are important, but the priority that you need to give is for yourself, and to build your character is very crucial. So watch this video till the very end. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. Number 1. Appearance. Why do you think even appearance is important for a man? Why do you think a first impression is really very important? I've said quite a few times that a man's character is given a high value and importance, and women look for men with attractive and high standard character for a long-term relationship. Let me tell you a very important thing here. A really amazing first impression is what lets that happen. If you are a really lazy man with outdated and untidy clothes and you really don't smell that great, then do you think women really find it interesting in talking to you? No, because they have already got a thought in mind that you ain't that big a deal for them. Your appearance is what makes that happen. It's just basic daily routine which makes that happen. Make yourself look decently styled with a good breath and smell. Coming to number 2, not being needy. A real man knows his worth and he knows his capabilities and strengths. What most men do is being too needy for a woman. This is really an instant turn off. Women don't want men who are around them with a needy attitude. Neediness is a mindset of low value man. They are just like workers around women. They do what they want and march by the beat of their drum. A real high value man doesn't even care about women. His self-care attitude is what brings down a woman's attention towards him. He knows exactly what he is doing and how he is doing. A man driven with an attitude of self-care and career is whom women love. Basically, women want things that are super rare and are unavailable. That is what a don't care attitude is for a woman. A man with such an attitude is really rare. That's it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, do click the subscribe button below. With that being said, thank you for watching.